your early morning, your mid-morning, your hot afternoon. Hey guys, welcome back to Farmstead Forge. Today I'm forging some hardware for the window in my old sheep wagon. This window opens out, and originally this original trim just had a little swinging block of wood that propped the window open, but that's just not going to work here with our wind. So I'm trying to put myself in the mindset of how I would have done it if I was on a ranch and they came to me and said, we need to fix this problem. So I got some stuff in the shop and let's go get started. Alright, so I might be jumping around a little bit on this project, but I have a piece of 3/8 bar stock and I have it cut, slit cut in it this way and then one this way, and then I left just enough material that I can come in with one of my guillotine tools and just round the corners up so I go from a square to a round transition. Have a little nail for a rivet eventually. And then this 3/4 by 1/4 bar stock I used for making the thrust washer. It's already kind of starting, so I'm going to make a step for kind of a thumb hole on that. And then I'll probably have to cut this end off for part of my other way I'm going to do that. So I'm just flying by the seat of my pants and we'll see how it goes. We'll probably do a little forge welding too. So small. forge weld that and then fix it after I'm done. Still see my lines, but it forge welded alright. I actually want to leave it a little bit rough because a lot of things you see forge welded back when they didn't make it pretty. So I just got to straighten it up a tiny bit and I'll have it. Then, of course, one really quick update. I got the plate in for the stove and all the tin work done for the stove. So, turned out pretty nice. Now I can get the stove finished up and put in, and it'll really start coming together now. Alright guys, I'm pretty happy with most of that. Didn't come out quite, I was just a little bit shy on my measurement, but I do have a little lock where I can lock it anyway. But get your early morning your mid-morning, your hot afternoon. Anyway, it'll be nice because it'll just really lock it in there. So my forge weld didn't come out quite as nice as I'd planned. I just folded this over just on the other side to help support that. It wasn't so much on those screws. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to keep it simple. We will catch you guys in the next one. You got my favorite screwdriver. Maybe it's I don't have much energy. But now I do. These mark the screws that I wanted for this.